It seems that Kevin Costner and Horizon 2 stuntman Devyn LaBella are not only arguing about the latter's sexual harassment charges against the Yellowstone star, but they are also very different about what the other is truly fighting for in court. As a last resort, defendants now say that Ms. LaBella plans to interfere with their free speech rights about creative works, says a harsh September 5th filing from SAG-AFTRA member and Barbie alum LaBella in L.A. Superior Court. The document is against Costner's and lawyer Marty Singer's attempt last month to have the whole case thrown out, or at least cut down. The 21-page document from lawyers at Hadsell, Stormer, Renick, and Dye, and Valli, Kane, and Vagnini says, by defendants' logic, the anti-SLAPP statute would prohibit any suit based on a film industry worker's objection to the breaking of safety protocols during filming. This is in advance of a hearing on the dismissal motion on September 18th. This would put these workers at the mercy of big companies and famous directors, and it could silence people who try to defend their hard-won rights that were made to protect them from this kind of harm. This is a wrong use of a law that was designed to defend people's right to free expression. LaBella is asking for different kinds of damages. She also seeks a court order that an intimacy coordinator be on the set of Costner's future films and that all of the defendants, including Costner, go through anti-sexual harassment and anti-sexual violence training provided by a reputable organization. Costner has termed LaBella's claims that she was the victim of a violent, unscripted, unscheduled rape scene on the still unreleased Western sequel, A Bold-Faced Lie, aimed to damage my reputation. On the other hand, the Stuntwoman's filing last week against the motion to dismiss from late August says that Costner and others' documents and statements are rife with contradictions regarding the duration of the shot, which of Ms. LaBella's undergarments were visible, what the content of the shot was to be, and how the shot was executed. LaBella thought the biggest difficulty with the scene on May 2, 2023, was that there was no intimacy or stunt coordinator. LaBella basically says that Costner and his team are trying to confuse things so that they can win a case that is different from the one she originally filed. The differences in safety protocols are as big as they are scary. The plaintiff's opposition brief from last week says about a May 1st shoot 2 years ago on Horizon 2 and the scene the next day. LaBella alleges the May 2nd shot was missing all of Ms. LaBella's contractually required protections. Horizon Intimacy Coordinator Celeste Cheney has publicly supported LaBella in her case. This is what the lawsuit is about, not the content or the creative process of making a sexually violent movie. Defendants broke Ms. LaBella's contract and her rights under state discrimination law. Singer never ran out of fighting words for his clients. Today, he and Costner stood their stand. The founder of Valli and Singer said in a statement on Monday, "This may be a new filing, but it's really just more of the same old nonsense. These claims are not just false, they are also silly. There are 12 independent witnesses who affirm that Ms. LaBella's statements are fake. Kevin Costner has made it very clear why he would not cave in to an obvious shakedown. He is committed to stand up for the truth, and we will keep doing so." This court lawsuit could be where the actual drama and future of Costner's partially self-funded Western story is. There is no release date for Horizon 2 on the calendar yet because the first Horizon didn't do very well. Horizon 3 and 4 haven't even started filming yet.